Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I'm Sharon Holt, the author of all the Te Reo sing-along books except this one. This one is written by Ruia Aperahama, a fabulous Māori musician who now works as a teacher. He wrote this wonderful song and I heard about it and loved it, so I asked him if we could put it into a Te Reo sing-along book and he said yes. So we're pretty excited about Morena, Morena, and we know you will be as well. All the children in the book are getting ready, just doing their morning routines. The sun's shining, they're getting up in the morning, so it's lots of Māori morning routine phrases and words for you to do there. And you can still do this with children in your kindergarten or centre or classroom, because of course they can talk about which ones of these they did, and maybe they did some other different things, and getting ready and then going towards their kura and their early childhood centre. And so I'm sure you will really love the song and really love the book. Ka kite.